Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger or the pen up gently and hold it right in the middle. But if you've got the buttons, then simply find the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon. I cannot actually remember. So let me enter the recents. And as you can see, the recents will appear right here, so release the finger or the pen. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. And if you want to close only one of it or 2 of them, just find them and tap on this X button right next to it, or probably you can swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on clear all. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your LENOVO Tab P12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.